Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to link your Squarespace website to your social media pages. Connecting social media helps visitors find and follow us on different platforms. Let's start by opening our browser. Once the browser is open, go to squarespace.com. When we reach the main page, log into our account. After logging in, click the mini Pry logo and then go to Account Dashboard. When we are in our dashboard, click to go to Website. Now that we are on our website, select the website, then the page, and click Edit. Wait for the page to load. Once we are in the page editing view, click to add a block. Scroll down and we will see the social links option. Place it where we want on the page. Here, we can edit the social links. Just click this to start editing. If we click Facebook, we can add our Facebook link. Let's enter our link. Once it's done, click Save. Now, let's add our Instagram Squarespace. We can also choose some designs here and add more social links to make them more visible, like TikTok. Copy our TikTok URL and paste it here. The logo will appear. When we are finished, click Done. Now, our social media links are ready. When visitors click them, they will be redirected to our social media pages. This is how we link our Squarespace website to our social media pages. Once connected, visitors can easily engage with our brand beyond the website.